Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zoho Expense easy. First, let's get you set up. Begin by signing up for your account and then quickly configure your organization's essential settings. You'll want to add your team members and define their roles. Don't forget to establish clear expense categories and spending policies to ensure smooth operations from the start. This foundational step is crucial for efficient expense management. Next, recording your expenses is straightforward. You can easily capture receipts using your mobile device's camera, or, if preferred, manually enter the details. Make sure to categorize each expense correctly. This helps with accurate tracking and reporting later on. Always attach any supporting documents to your entries. This simple process ensures all your spending is accounted for without hassle. Once your expenses are recorded, creating reports is the next step. You can easily group multiple individual expenses into a single report. Take a moment to review and edit all the details before you submit. If needed, add any comments or notes for your approvers to provide context. Submitting your completed report is quick and intuitive, ensuring your financial records are always up to date. Finally, let's talk about approvals and reimbursement. Once submitted, your approvers will review the expense reports. You'll receive timely notifications about any status changes, keeping you informed every step of the way. You can efficiently track the entire reimbursement process, from approval to payout. For seamless financial operations, Zoho Expense integrates with various accounting software, making payouts simple and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.